Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a Qi or MagSafe charger that matches your iPhone model. This matters because alignment and charging protocol affect speed. Once done, remove thick cases and any metal mounts so the phone sits flush. Plug the charger into a reliable wall adapter, 18W or higher gives steady output, and place the iPhone centered on the pad. You'll see the charging animation. If not, gently lift and reseat the device to improve alignment and contact. Now focus on alignment and confirmation because wireless charging depends on coil position. You should center the phone over the charger. MagSafe models click into place, which simplifies alignment. Look at the top right battery icon and the percentage. That confirms current flow. Make sure the pad sits on a hard, flat surface to avoid heat buildup. If the iPhone gets warm, the system may slow charging, so remove heat sources and let it cool before continuing to maintain efficient charge rates. Finish by leaving the iPhone on the charger until it reaches the level you need, because frequent pickups interrupt the cycle and reduce efficiency. If charging doesn't start, try swapping the cable, adapter, or charger pad to isolate a faulty component. Once you've ruled out hardware, restart the iPhone and check for iOS updates. Software can affect charging detection. If problems persist, inspect the phone's back for damage and consider contacting support. Otherwise, replace the charger.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.